What's going on, YouTube? Got another video. Got something I want to show y'all real quick. Pop the hood. She dirty as hell under here. Never mind all that, but yes. Got the K in there. Cold air intake. Got this put on yesterday. And it I drove it for about a day or whatever. So far it helped with the throttle response. Cause this is 2012. So the throttle was like ass. So it's just, it helped with it a lot. But it give us a small like humming sound or whatever, but she nice though. Got it put on all the way. Yeah, you can definitely tell it helped with the throttle with the throttle of the car and shit. It even like make like a it's got this small hissing noise. A small hissing noise to it when you hit the gas a little bit, but this it could definitely make a different sound or whatever, a deeper sound. Yeah, we're gonna get into all of that. So I don't know what I'm gonna put up under there next, but yeah, we're gonna get something put up in there. But just wanted to show y'all the cold air intake I got put on here. It's 2012 SXT. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit y'all back up when I get some more mods, do some more mods for it, probably get some exhaust work done soon. So we're gonna keep y'all updated on that. But until then, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.